My name is Richard Teller, founder of Qwids. I would like to do a short presentation of the Qwids service for you, followed by a demonstration of how it works. So let's start with the problems Qwids tries to solve. Advertising is a continual problem online with a lot of disingenuous ads and pop-ups preventing people from viewing the content they wish to. Copycat content, a lot of content around the internet is copied from other sources. A lot of it is quantity over quality. Ad blocking software is on the increase, with recent studies showing downloads are increasing amongst all ages and demographics. Shareability. A lot of brands are pushing out content on their social networks, but they're not getting the engagement from the audiences they would like. Qwids provides a solution to these problems by allowing brands to collaborate with their audience to create content for online distribution. This is achieved when a brand publishes mission-based campaigns using the Qwids service. A mission-based campaign is simply a way for brands to ask their audiences to create content. Each time an individual completes a mission, the brand is able to say thank you by sending them some Qwids. You can think of Qwids as reward points. Users are then able to collect their Qwids, spend them with the brand, or exchange them with other users on the Qwids platform. In this example, we will see how a travel company would use Qwids. Here I've created a company called Travel Leisure. The first thing they've done is to create their own Qwids, which they have named Sky, and they are able to use those to reward people for completing missions. Here the brand is able to monitor how many missions are completed each day, how many Qwids have been distributed, and the Qwids flow. That is, how many Qwids have gone out for completed missions and how many have returned in the form of purchased offers. So the first thing a brand will do is create a number of offers. Created a couple of examples here. One such offer is a special invitation to a cocktail night. So once a person has done a number of missions, they've accumulated 500 skies, they're able to get a one-off special invitation to a cocktail night in the hotel they are staying in when they're abroad. And there's some instructions on how to claim their ticket. We recommend a brand make a number of offers, anything from a low value offer right up to a high value offer, perhaps 20% discount off their next trip, like in this example here. The second thing a brand should do is head over and create missions. So here I've created a couple of examples. One such example is the Share a Smiley mission. This is when people go on holiday with this particular brand. They are instructed to create a smiley face in the sand on the beach, take a photograph and share it on Instagram. And here they simply copy the text and the hashtags here into their Instagram account before they post the image. When the brand is comfortable with the mission and the offers, they're ready to publish. That is done simply by hitting these buttons here or sharing the URL directly. So for this example, I'm going to share it via Facebook and I'll post that into the Qwids app page. Post that to Facebook, and now let's head over to the user side and see what happens when the mission is picked up by a brand's audience. So here I've got the Qwids app Facebook page open, where the brand mission was published to. So there we're able to see that mission in public, and as a user I'm able to accept it by simply clicking, and that takes me through to my wallet, where I'm then able to sign in to proceed. And I'm going to sign in using Instagram, accept the mission. So now I need to take this bit of text here with these hashtags as instructed, head over to Instagram, where I've also already prepared my image. Hit next, apply a filter if necessary. Copy and paste the information that was set out in the mission and hit share. And now as a user I have completed my mission, so I'm going to head back to my wallet and see if I've been credited, and there you can see I have been credited 2,000 skies. I'm going to go over now and have a look what I can purchase for these skies. Here we have a 20% discount off my next trip and some instructions on how to claim the discount. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase that, and here you'll see I have a redemption code, which in accordance to the instructions I have to take them to either the website and enter the code there, or I can go into one of their branches and my balance would reflect that purchase. So let's head back to the brand side. I just recently did the Share a Smiley mission, was rewarded for that, and I went on to purchase the 20% discount directly after completing that mission. And if we look in the missions page, we'll be able to see a history of completions. This is the one I just did. And here a brand is able to monitor the content and reward content that is especially good. They're also able to see the accumulated reach, which in this case is 57 so far, with 3 people accepting it and 2 completing it. A brand is able to share this mission as many times as they like, and here you'll see there is no enrollment limit on this mission. It is possible for a brand to put a cap on how many people can complete this mission. So if we just pop inside here, we'll see user limit. A brand can put 100 as a user limit in here, for example, so that when 100 people create the smiley in the sand, this mission will automatically conclude. This gives brands predictability when it comes to issuing their quids. On the offers page under purchases, a brand is able to see when individuals purchase their offers. This is the offer that I just purchased, and the code will match that of the individuals, so that when an individual comes into the branch or goes online, they can punch this code in and it will automatically be redeemed. And this is how we see a travel company making use of Qwids. Thank you for your time.